Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have iPhone 11 with iOS 26.1, and this iPhone, it's a bright red color. It's quite good color. So in this video I'm going to show you how to check your parts and service history on this iPhone 11. So this is iOS 26.1. So tap the settings. In the settings we have general. Here we have about device, so choose the about. Here we have parts and service history, so we're going to choose that. So here we have battery and the display. So this is the service history of this phone. As you can see, the display is showing unknown part, so unable to determine if your iPhone display is a genuine Apple part. So this message is appearing actually because this screen is being replaced by somebody, and this is not an Apple original screen. This is definitely a generic screen. So that's why you're seeing this message. But anyway, that's how you check your parts and service history in iPhone. And as you can see, already the display is unknown. So that's how you check your parts and service history on any iPhone. Sorry for noise, and thank you for watching, and subscribe.